In this video, I'm giving you a quick and honest review of Rome, a platform that's making waves in 2025 by helping buyers assume low-rate mortgages. If you're looking to save big on your next home purchase, stick around. So what is Rome? Rome is an online platform that connects buyers with homes featuring assumable mortgages, meaning you can take over the seller's existing loan, often with a much lower interest rate than current market rates. We're talking rates as low as 2%, compared to the typical 7% for new loans. What I like about Rome, they've streamlined the entire process. Their platform lets you search for homes with these low-rate loans, and they handle the paperwork and coordination with lenders. Plus, they offer a 1% service fee, which covers everything from finding properties to managing the assumption process. It's a huge time saver. But here's the catch. Rome service is currently available in select cities. So, if you're outside their coverage area, this might not be an option for you just yet. Additionally, while they make the process easier, assuming a mortgage still requires you to meet certain eligibility criteria and cover the seller's equity. Is it worth it in 2025? If you're eligible and Rome operates in your area, assuming a mortgage through their platform can be a smart move to secure a lower interest rate and save on monthly payments. Just be sure to do your due diligence and understand the terms before proceeding. If you found this review helpful, hit that heart icon to drop a super thanks. And don't forget to subscribe for more real-world reviews like this. Catch you in the next one.